rest. Some of them join us today, and we are grateful for your leadership. Now, as president, I've made it clear that the United States will continue to be a leader in this global movement. We've got a comprehensive strategy. We're shining a spotlight on the dark corners where it persists. Under Hillary's leadership, we're doing more than ever with our annual trafficking report, with new outreach and partnerships, to give countries incentives to meet their responsibilities and calling them out when they don't. I recently renewed sanctions on some of the worst abusers, including North Korea and Eritrea. We're partnering with groups that help women and children escape from the grip of their abusers. We're helping other countries step up their own efforts, and we're seeing results. More nations have passed, and more are enforcing modern anti-trafficking laws. Now, last week, I was proud to welcome to the Oval Office not only a great champion of democracy, but a fierce advocate against the use of forced labor and child soldiers, Aung San Suu Kyi. And as part of our engagement, we'll encourage Burma to keep taking steps to reform, because nations must speak with one voice. Our people and our children are not for sale. But for all the progress that we've made, the bitter truth is that trafficking also goes on right here in the United States. It's the migrant worker unable to pay off the debt to his trafficker, the man lured here with the promise of a job, his documents then taken and forced to work endless hours in a kitchen, the teenage girl beaten, forced to walk the streets. This should not be happening in the United States of America. As president, I directed my administration to step up our efforts.
Both Iran and Israel, how do you balance the two?
And that is another joke, because why would the United States impose arms embargo on Eritrea, a small country with very limited resources, and not impose sanctions on the alleged role of Iran in the region? How can you possibly appreciate the logic behind this position of the United States?
Maybe you can clear up for us Iran's role in this region.
There is no role for Iran in this region. Eritrea is not for sale. Eritrea is not for sale.
The Obama administration is working hard to sell the framework nuclear agreement with Iran. But there are new questions about what exactly the U.S. agreed to. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill, where Congress will have to decide whether to try and block that deal. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning. Discrepancies emerged over the weekend between the U.S. version of this framework and the Iranian version. Discrepancies over, for example, how quickly sanctions on Iran would be lifted. Now, U.S. negotiators say it's not surprising that Iran is trying to spin the details in their favor, but it isn't helping to win over skeptics here on Capitol Hill and elsewhere.
I think this deal is a dream deal for Iran, and it's a nightmare deal for the world.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was all over U.S. television Sunday, arguing any deal that lifts sanctions will make Iran richer and more dangerous.
Iran will have billions of dollars flowing to its coffers, not for schools or hospitals or roads, but to pump up its worldwide terror machine.
Presidential hopefuls like South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham pummeled the deal too, saying it doesn't address Iran's status as a chief sponsor of terrorism.
Obama is a flawed negotiator. His foreign policy has failed on multiple fronts. Nobody in the region trusts him. The Iranians do not fear or respect him, so he'll never be able to get the best deal.
In an interview with the New York Times, President Obama pushed back.
There is no formula, there is no option to prevent Iran from getting a nuclear weapon that will be more effective than the diplomatic initiative and framework that we put forward.
And California Democrat Dianne Feinstein argued Netanyahu and the other critics haven't presented an alternative.
I don't think it's helpful for Israel to come out and oppose this one opportunity to change a major dynamic, which is downhill, a downhill dynamic in this part of the world.
Negotiators now have less than 3 months to turn that framework into a full-scale agreement. If they succeed, a growing number of lawmakers from both sides say Congress should have the final say on any deal that involves lifting sanctions. Republican Bob Corker chairs the Senate Foreign Relations Committee.
If the president feels like this is something that's good for the nation, surely he can sell this to the United States Senate and the House.
And the Senate is moving quickly. They're going to start considering legislation that would require the White House to get congressional approval for a deal as soon as they get back next week. The White House has said the president would veto that legislation, but Senator Corker said over the weekend he's very close to having enough votes to override a presidential veto. Charlie?
Nancy, thanks.
Attorney, Iranian-American activist Elika Leiba has been outspoken against the regime. Brave thing to do, and joins us now. Appreciate you being with us. There is this line going around from the Tucker Carlson, Bernie Sanders wing that remove the Ayatollah and a worse Ayatollah will come in. Are they right or wrong?
They're absolutely wrong. And it just shows the ignorance of people who are now deciding to use their platforms to speak on matters that they're wholly ignorant about. If they had been following the burgeoning revolution in Iran for the last 46 years, much less the last 3 years in which it took prominence, they would understand that what the Iranian people are calling for is democracy. And what this really displays is that you have this, unity between the woke right and woke left now, who are now descending. You have lefties like Bernie Sanders, who are now descending into the same racism, the same racist view of the Middle East, that everyone in the Middle East is a savage. Everyone are just savages. And therefore, if the Ayatollah goes, there's just going to be more savages to take their place. Why don't you just pay attention to what the Iranian people are telling you? Why don't you open your ears and your mind and actually listen to the people, and then you'll know what's coming?
There's a lot to unpack. Having no knowledge of subjects never kept anybody from opining on cable news. That's sort of a lot of cable news. We try to prevent it here on this program, but it's been known to happen. Want to play you something from Steve Bannon. Take a listen.
President Trump, I do believe, has given the Iranians, hey, you got a shot here to make a deal. He's not looking for a ceasefire. He's not looking for a peace deal. He's looking for your eradication, total capacity of your nuclear weapons. And I think if they take it and jump on it and meet with Witkoff and try to figure something out quickly, basically sign a document that he gives them, maybe with very little changes, there's a possibility he won't engage in combat operations.
Is there any reason to think that whatever the Ayatollah may agree to, that he will stick by that deal after having broken so many nuclear deals in the past?
You have to ask this question: what price does diplomacy come at? A couple of years ago, Obama engaged in the JCPOA, which was the nuclear deal at the time. And, you have to ask yourself, what is a deal? Isn't a deal something where they also get something? They're not just going to say, okay, yeah, we're just going to pack it all in and throw it away for nothing. Of course, it comes at a price. And what price did it come at? It came at the price of $150 billion. It came at the price of expanding its influence across the Middle East, emboldening its proxies. October 7th, that was the price of the last nuclear deal. So when people now talk about this prospect of a deal, what are you trading the deal for? You think you're getting peace at the end of the deal? Then why are we in this position after the last deal?
Fair questions. I'll ask you another one. Where are all the LGBTQ people? Where are all the Free Palestine people worried about civilians in Gaza? Where are all the women's rights folks when you've got LGBTQ people being killed in Tehran? Women have no rights. There's Muslims there living in far worse conditions than Muslims in the West Bank live in.
I'd love to say that they're all silent. I'd love to say that they're all in hiding, but unfortunately, they are loudly and proudly saying hands off Iran. But what they mean is hands off the regime in Iran, which is basically tantamount to saying hands off the Taliban. I mean, what kind of dystopian universe are we living in when the human rights advocates of our time are not saying free the Iranian people from the regime? They're not saying free the Iranian people that are being hanged from cranes. They're not saying free the Iranian people who are having their eyes shot out for protesting. They're saying hands off the regime that's killing them. These are not the people that are champions of humanity anymore. They've done a total about-face, and the humanitarians and pacifists are the monsters of our time.
There appears to be a break at least right now in the world, that I didn't see after the Green Revolution 2009 when President Obama turned his back on those in the streets in Iran. Same thing happened after the young woman was killed for not wearing her hijab. The Biden administration turned its back on those. Do you see a change, A, in the world, but B, also in how Iranians themselves are looking at their own country?
You know, I think what we're going to have to do right now is sort of assess how the situation develops. If this is a situation where they've sort of taken out the nuclear capacities of the regime, but they've actually left the regime in place, that's not anything that's going to be helpful to the Iranian people. It's sort of like taunting them. You're taunting them with the prospect of freedom and then taking it away. So I think the only thing that's going to change the perspective of Iranian people about what the future of Iran is, much less the future of the Middle East, which will obviously dictate the future of the world, is whether this regime does finally collapse at the end of this. If this is just a strategy to weaken its military capabilities and take out its nuclear capabilities, yes, it's good news for the rest of the world, but it's not good news for Iranian people, who will then have had to suffer through war and be traumatized and then be left with the same regime that it had before. So it's sort of a situation where if you're going to do anything, you have to go all the way or don't do it at all.
Elika, you were the right woman for this conversation. I hope I'm never in an argument with you because I will lose. It's good to have you. Thank you very much. We'll see you back.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our News Nation app right now on your phone.
ኢራን ከነምጽኦ ከለና ኢራን ብመሬት ሕዚ እቲ ኩዌሽን ኣብዚ እዩ ዘሎ ክትሰምዑኒ ኢራን ብመሬት ኣቲኻ ማለት ምግባጥ ኦልሬዲ ናይትሜር እዩ ዝኸውን ነዚ ዘብለኒ ብምዕራብ ወገን እኳ ሃገር ተራእና ዛግሮስ ማውንቴን ኣሎ ኣብቲ ክራናት እሱ ኮይንካ ሓያል ተሪር ክራናት እዮም ናይ ምክልኻል ዓቕሚ ናይ እስራኤል ኣይመን ናይ ኢራን ብጣዕሚ እንትን እዩ ኢራን ከም ዝፍለጥ ካብ 600,000 ንላዕሊ ሰራዊት ኣለዋ ብኣውታት ብትንክብሉ ኣይክእልን እዩ ብምዕራባዊ ብሰሜን ወገን እውን ተኸይድና ኢልባርዝ ዝበሃል ማውንቴን ባዕሉ ኣሎ ኣብኡ እውን ሓያል ዕርዲ እዩ ዘለዎም ኢራናውያን ካብ ቀደም ኣትሒዞም ዝፍለጥሉ ማለት እዩ ብሰሜን ወገን ተኸይድና እሙን ከምኡ እዩ ማለት ምስቲ ካስፒያን ሲ ተተሓሒዙ ዓብዪ ናይ ኣኽራናት እንትን ኣለዎ ብምስራቅ ኢራን ተኸድካ እውን ኣፍጋኒስታን ኣሎ ፓኪስታን ኣሎ ምስኦም እዩ ዝዳወብ እቲ ኢስተርን ማውንቴን ዝበሃል ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ስቲል ኖ ኢንትሪ ናብቲ ከባቢ ማለት እዩ ብማእኸላይ እኳ ክትሓስቦ ትድሊኻ ብማእኸላይ ኢራን ክትኣትውንስ እዚ ዳሺት ካርቪን ገለ ዝብልዎ በረኻታት ዝታይ ምድረ በዳ ደዘርትስ ሕፃሱ ዳሺት ሉትን ዳሺት ካርቫይትን ዝበሃሉ ታንኪ እዩ ዝውሕጥ ሕፃስ ብቲ ናይ ምድረ በዳ ሕፃ ታንኪ እዩ ዝውሕጥ ሶ ንምጥቕላል እንታይ እየ ዘለኹ ክትጎብጣ እንድሕር ኮይንካ ንኢራን ብሚሊታሪ ብኣጋር ማለት እየ ናይትሜር እዩ እንታይ እዮም ክገብሩ ሕዚ ኦኬ ኣሜሪካ ተኣትውላ ኣሜሪካ ኣትያ ብዙሕ ናይ ኣየር ኤርያልስ ከተዝንብ ትኽእል እያ ፋይናል ግን ብኣጋር ኣቲኻ ድሕር ኣኩሙሌት ዘይጌርካዮ ነዚ ጠቕላላ ናይ ውግእ እንትን የትም ክትበፅሓ ይትኽእልን ልክዕ ከም ናይ በዓል ሊብያ እሳቶም ዝደልይዎ ሬጅም ቼንጅ ክትገብሩንስ ብኣጋር ክትኣትውለካ ስለዚ ምስ ከምዚ ኣሜሪካውያን ፋይናላይዝ ክገብርዎ ይኽእሉ ዶ እቲ ኩናት ማለት ተረዲእኩም ንትኾኑ ኢኹም ምስ ከምዚ ዝኸድዎ ዘለው ክሳብ ሬጅም ቼንጅ ዝኸዱ ኮይኖምና ኣንቶይ ዝብሎ ዝነበረ ከማል ራይዚንግ ላዮን ዝብልዎ ዘለው እቲ ናይ ቀደም እቲ ወዲ ንጉስ ከምፅኡ ዝሓስቡ ዘለው ክሳብ ክንዱ ክኸዱ ተኮይኖም ሲ ኣብ መሬት ንኢራውያን ደሞ ንኢራናውያን ኣብ መሬቶም ኣቲኻ ምንብርካ ኢምፖስብል ፈፂሙ ክኸውን ዘይክእል ነገር ኢና ምስ ከምዚ ተኣትዮም ኣሜሪካውያን ኢዝሊ ክውዳእ ዶ ይኽእል ከምዚ ኣብ ሊብያ ዝወድእዎ ኣብ ካልእ ዝወድእዎ ብካልስ ኢዝሊ ክውዳእ ዶ ይኽእል ሶ ነዚ ሪኦም ክሓስቡ ዶ ይኽእሉ ኣሜሪካውያን ዝብል ሓደ እንትን ኣለኒ ካልኣይ ኣሜሪካ ክትማልል ዒልና እያ ነርና ኣንቶይ ጠቂስዎ ሓሊፉ ተወርዋሪኖ ኩሉ ግዜ ኣብ ኢድካ ዘሎ ተተኳስ ጥራይ ይኮንካ ንጥቀም ትማልል ትንልዕሎ ነርና ሕርሙዝ ኣሎ ሕርሙዝ ባዕሎም ኢራናውያን ኣብ ኢዶም ዘሎ 4 ኪሎ ሜትር እያ ብክምድላ እዮም ዝገብርዎ كعصمو دحر اليوم مالتي اوتوماتيكالي حرمز كعصون كله هوتي كاي بحر مسمر دهر عصيو almost ساساو قعلم مالتي ناي بقى علمس بقى او بيلو مالو مالتي سلازي ويت عالمنا درجر يخدمت وي اجنس امريكا يختكيد مالتي سلازي حساب كندز اندحر زخدو خوينوم سي متتاو ناي معرباوين ناي بفلاي ناي امريكا كابزن العلي كاتاستروفي خمس مت يفلطي ግን بأجار بالكو تنا عنتوي كمي كوجو يقول التورنت زبلي تحت بيت رديكم تغيو
صبغتي بتعب صبغتي ما كلينا أنا باخا خسجر من البشاب ذا زلار استي ناتك حسابهم كنسمع
ثانك يو تورواري ناب حقي اتي ازي نخدو زلنا غزي بتعمي حدغنيا غزي تافاف غزي تهواس غزي كم تعن تويز بولكايو نصري نيرو علامه ناي اسرائيل تعلامها ناي سمايات ناي ايران بسيعها عبد حاج ريغزي ميشن وديها لك تاريخ 7 شعاتن يلوم زوعو نخدقم هجينا زخدقم كاني دي الداقم تريرن قلتفن متقعت وسيدك نخلو بساسعها قدايكا فتسيمكا لألونتكا حيلها ابتزوبا الرقاقسكا نقسنتكا نخدشبت ينيرو حجي بو من تركا السخط راي تحاسبو زيكونا اتي صلاعي تبلوخه انتا يحسب اذا ناب حقي اقدس نغير سلازي اذا خلت نغرات يزي تغاچ دولو مالتي سلازي اذا خلت نغرات يزي كغاچو خلو ايران انتا يتحسب اسرائيل انتا يتحسب اذا خلت حسابات زي هجي مستغاچوه اب جبرتا اتيو اذا جبر زخا نخلتين واقع خفيلو مالتي حجي اتقند نجر واقع كفيلكا واقع اخفيلكا انت يا افريقا ابزي حجتي اتقند نجر زمت زلو مالتي اذا خمصو خلوخا بزح مزازات حزو يمصالو انت يتمزازات حجي مجمريا اسرائيل ابتي زغبرتو متقعتي نإيراناويان ادنزيزاتوميا ابتي زدنززتوم ابتي رؤسهم دهارمتهم غزي اتي كتفصمو زغبا كتفصم ايكالت مخنياتو كريتيكال كوينو بتاعمي حدغنيا نغرات كوينو بزح نغرات دتتانانغه اوشتوم اتيان مسارعهم بتاتينا كتكودو دحسبت كم تسات دليو اتمسرع ايتباتاتمن دغنا كم دغنا توديبوم يمصيم زلو حجزي تموديبكا موصا ناي ايران اتدحيلو خوينو مصي مالتي مخنياتو بدحريا دلو هاغرات كلو اخلا اس بزي قدس قال مال فنزاربو لينا ايران جن ابز غداي بدحيت كوينا اتز دله علامات ايتهارمن اسرائيل كاني لعل عقمان داخنو خيدو سلازي اسرائيل تاي تدللا انا امريكا خطوتوا تدللا نجدن هلاو اسرائيل حجي هلاو اسرائيل ابتي غداي امريكا كتساتفالو مهنياتو كمزيلا از تقطقطو زلا ولا حنت قم نجر كتغبراي تخلني ولا حنت تغبراي تخلني سلازي نا اسرائيل حقناتات كل ملو 150 اب نا امريكا سوتافي يوسنالو إذا أبناء أمريكا سوتافي زوسن نجر نا إسرائيل كأني مسؤ معريوها كبت حدقاتات أقدمي اللو مالتي تبو نا إسرائيل سي نا إيران مس أمريكا خوينا خسعرا تدللا و بدحري إيران كنتا يخمت زهجي تدعبي حطو ني عالم حطو مالتي كالاي نيران كاوشت ادفلت اسقاف حجي دفلت ايلن معناتو اتي زدل نجر كتوصحو حساب زي كالكا غزي زدل نجر كتغبراي تخلني منالبات صباح نغو تمالي عتلح على خميني حنت نجر جلسوا حليفه سا عباي كاوشين أنا علمنا قبل مشت نينيو رياضته زي تفلت كتري أيلو مع عسى أخذ جمهور حجي زون كوشن مارك سلازي متاونا أمريكان مزازاتون كعبة حدوغن علم عمن كرا أورخينا تري لا مالتي بتحدوغن كأمريكا خا إسرائيل مس حيلاس العراق توصل تدلي على نزل نخت جبر كحجي أمريكا مس عالم دي أخت نرات مزلوا مناتو مس عالم كلهم مسينا عالم بفلاي حجي اتي كندي زخون زلو نجارات كأني متصابو هرمز ني إيروب أويان بقرر إنك حنك يعني مخنياتو إيران كم تسنز دلي عند حسبون كتفرسن كتودقن أي كالت حجي ني إيروبا بتعمق تسجمانيو نتن كالوت كا نبع الباكستان وخلنا جلا إذا خا صبغيو بخالق من قد خرخبو خلان أبرئسي جن حدا شيء ناي روسيا خا تجنس إلى الله مالتي إذا شيء إذا خاني فاتين سألين جازن ندادن بتسع تمدبلن كجزائن مالتي هجي بخلو بالعلن بتاعتن كتري أخلها أمريكا تغرق إيراميم دلو زي مقتاو متفق إسرائيليو مقتاو كا سلسلة كينات عالم مولعي مغنياتو أمريكا كتاعتو انت دا أخوينا بعال بزح نجارات دمت زلو مالتي إذا بزح نجارات دمت زلو أمريكا بخمة يامانيش كتقوله حجي زي بتعمي تزعبيه قداي كوين لو مالتي أبرئسي يقول تقند نجار حجي إيران كا بتي حيل مدري خا ولا حنت نجار كتقبرها زي تخلو مخاكاي إسرائيل ولا حنت كتقبرها يتخلني بحيل مدري already حجي تسقطاتا أمريكا إذا إسرائيل دات أنقطعت خيد الله مناتو مسمن واحد جزء كل جزء ترزيستان حجي إيران أتيابيا أبرزيستان أتيا أمتصور أتيا حجي أنت وي كم تالك توروار الزبالة آيات الله على خامنئي سلطانو نابتو متهدرات ككافل اندحر جميرو ندنو حق عزو تداليو مالو إيراناوين لك إذا خنري أدق أننا مسنباتات حجنتين داخونا خيدي دارجين دالو مدو خودين ونياتو هزيا إيران مالت مريت كازاي كونن لاتكا غيركا غيرتا تفكر كات خودي كونن